Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the handlebar clamps on this 2024 Speed Twin 1200. So at this point, you would already have your handlebars out. If you don't, go watch the video on how to remove your stock handlebars. And then once you get to this point, you can begin to take your risers off. So just do that. We want to install the clamp back in place. 6mm Allen. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. And now we can remove the nuts from underneath using our 14mm. So now we need to remove the screw here using our 14mm socket. And now, if you don't have a power tool like this, the best way to do this is on the ground where you can move the bars all the way to the right and left as you're trying to get in here. The other thing is this washer. If you pull a bolt down and there's no washer on it, then it's stuck to the bottom here. You want to pull that off of there so you don't lose it, and then you're going to end up needing that to put the risers on later. So the same thing on this side. And you just want to make sure you're holding your riser so that it doesn't go twisting on you. So I just want to show you before I pull this bolt out, there's a little washer in here. We don't want to lose that washer. Right now I'm covering it with my hand over here so I didn't lose it. I want to definitely take that. Whatever riser you're going to put on, if you're going to put the stock one back on, you need to have this in place there. If you're putting our British Custom ones on there, you want to remove this. If you're putting somebody else's, you need to see if it says in their instructions whether or not you need to have that, so don't lose it. Now we can just turn that bolt out. Make sure we have that. And again, like I said, see that washer didn't come out there because it's stuck here. Pull that out. Put that back on the screw. No matter what kit you're putting on, you're going to need that washer.